Hi, this is Billy Burgess with the IBM Cloud team. This video is to show you how to give other users access to your infrastructure resources. Right now there's two ways to do this. We're in the process of combining the two different portals, the software portal and the IBM Cloud portal, so the capabilities exist on both. Currently, what I think is the easiest way is to go through the software portal. You would do that by logging into control.software.com. Once you log in, it's the same credentials as your IBM Cloud credentials, so use the same ones for both. Once you log in here, you get a general account summary overview, dashboard, shows your monitoring devices, everything here. The way you're going to add access is go into Account, and Users, and then User List. It will show all the users that you've given. If you want additional users on your account, all you have to do is click Add User in the top right, and then just enter their IBM ID or username, email they use to log into the page. So I have device access for the two devices I have up right now. Greg has none. Let me go in and click Manage for his device access. It will pull up his profile. Here you'll see his user profile. Go into portal permissions, and then there's a couple quick default ones, basic user, super user. Let me click ones that I want to select. This is going to be just support tickets. There's some in devices as well, so hardware details, server details. So you can see how granular it gets. You can give very specific permissions to individuals for devices, the network, security, and then services as well. But once you select everything, just go down and hit Set Permissions. Once they're selected, you can click into Device Access. So the portal permissions is just what permissions they have. Now you're going to pick which devices they have those permissions on. Here at the bottom is my dedicated host, and then my actual bare metal server. And then I will hit Update Device Access. And just like that, he has that device access. Another way to do that is going to be giving the individual the given public or private IPs, public and private IPs, so they can go through a command line interface and they can SSH into the machine as well and perform work on it that way. And you can control, what level of access they have there. The other way to do this, which again I think is a little bit more complicated, is going to be through the IBM Cloud dashboard. So this URL is console.bluemix.net instead of the software portal. How you would do that in this portal is you're going to go into Manage, Account, Users, just like you did in the software portal. And then it's going to show the users once they pop up. Same thing as before. If you want to add somebody, just go to Invite Users. We'll go into Greg again. And then we'll go to Access Policies. And then Assign Access. And here it'll pop up. You can go into some of the IBM Cloud portal has capabilities around resource groups, Cloud Foundry, some of the actual platform services outside of just infrastructure. So there's a little bit more to work through here, which is why I think it's a little more complicated. And what you would do is click Assign Access to your software account. So you click into that, and then it actually will send Greg an email, and you won't be able to do anything else in terms of the specific controls until he accepts. So you have a little bit more capability and control as an administrator right away in the software portal, but again, that functionality is all being merged in. So the way I would suggest doing it right now being the end of January 2019, is to go in through the control.software.com URL, and then again go into account, users, user list, and then you can add control that way. All right, hope this helps. Thank you.